my name is Andrew Flushy. I'm your Virginia traffic attorney. One of the questions that comes up a lot when I talk with clients and potential clients is whether or not you're facing jail for driving on a suspended license in Virginia. The fact of the matter is that driving on a suspended license could be jail time in Virginia. The first thing you have to look at to know if you're looking at jail in your case is how many prior offenses you've had for driving on suspended. If this is your first offense for driving on a suspended license, then the likelihood that you get jail is much lower. However, the next thing you have to look at is why your license was suspended in the first place. There are lots of different versions of driving on a suspended license and lots of different reasons why you could have been suspended. And some were more serious than others. For example, if your license was suspended for a DUI or DWI in Virginia, and you're caught driving on a suspended license and you have nothing else in your record except that DUI, you still would be facing the strong likelihood of some real jail time in this case. However, if you only had traffic tickets and your license is currently suspended just for forgetting to pay a fine for a traffic ticket and you get charged with driving on suspended, and it's your first offense for driving on suspended, in that scenario, the odds are much greater that you would not be facing actual jail depending upon the court or the city where your case is pending. This is definitely why you need to talk with me about your case so I can help advise you based on all the facts of your unique case, whether or not you're actually looking at jail time. Because it does differ a lot depending upon the record, the actual charge you're facing, the reason for the suspension, and the county or city where your case is pending. So if you're charged with driving on a suspended license, you definitely should contact me right away so we can begin analyzing your case together.